Welcome to all. Today we will introduce similar figures. First, let us recall congruency concept. When we keep a geometric figure over another geometric figure, if they exactly coincide with each other, then they are congruent, or else they are not congruent. Keep one hand over the other hand. If they exactly coincide with each other, then they are congruent, or else they are not congruent. Two polygons are congruent if their corresponding angles are equal. That means they will have same shape, and their corresponding sides are equal. That means they will have same size. Same definition can be applied for congruent triangles. That means you need to check three corresponding angles are equal or not, three corresponding sides are equal or not. So total 6 measurements you have to check. Instead of that, we can apply any congruency criteria or congruency axioms for triangles. One is Triple-S. That means if three sides of one triangle are equal to corresponding three sides of another triangle, then they are congruent by Triple-S congruency criteria. If two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to corresponding two sides and included angle of another triangle, then they are congruent by SAS congruency criteria. Similarly, ASA congruency criteria. That means here the side is not included also, no problem. Why? Because if two angles are equal, then automatically the third angles will be equal by angle sum property of triangles. And one more criteria is that is RHS congruency criteria, that is right angle, hypotenuse and side. Let us see one example and one non-examples. We take two triangles ABC, DEF, both are right angle triangles in which B and E are 90 degrees. The side CB and DE are equal and the side AB and EF are equal. Here maybe their orientation is different, but two sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to two corresponding two sides and included angle of another triangle. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. You can't say ABC is congruent to DEF. We have to see the one-one correspondence. Here A corresponds to F, B corresponds to E, and C corresponds to D. So ABC is congruent to FED. One more example, one more non-example. We are taking two right angle triangles, GHA and IJKL. One side is equal, one sides are equal, but another corresponding sides are not equal. So we can't apply ASA congruency. Also hypotenuse are different. We can't apply RHS congruency. So therefore these two triangles are not congruent. Now, what happens if only width of photograph is changed and length is not changed? This is actual photo. Only width is increased. If width is decreased, it is like this. So the boy may look fat or thin, but the original picture is distorted. What happens if only length is increased? This is the actual photo. We are increasing only length, and here we are decreasing only length. So here the boy may look tall or short, but the original picture is distorted. What happens if both length and breadth of photograph is changed in a proportion? Here this is actual photo. Both length and breadth are reduced. Here both length and breadth are increased in proportion. Here see, the boy looks same even though the original photo is reduced or enlarged. By increasing or decreasing the corresponding sides in the same proportion, the pictures are not distorted. They are same. We can say they are similar figures. This is only one example showing the application part of similar figures in our daily life. And we have many applications like measure of height and distance using the similar triangles concept. So some more examples we'll discuss. We'll take three circles with different radius. So they are not congruent. But circles means they will be having same shape, no? They will be round. So all circles are similar. Now we'll take triangle ABC in which all sides are equal, triangle DEF in which all sides are equal, and triangle GHI in which all sides are equal. All sides are equal means equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, each angle will measure 60 degrees. So all corresponding angles will be equal. You see, corresponding sides may not be equal and their orientation may be different, but they're having same shape. So all equilateral triangles are similar. Now we'll take quadrilateral ABCD, EFGH, IJKL, in which all sides are equal, all angles are equal. So they are regular quadrilaters. Regular quadrilaters means squares. Here, all three squares are similar, as one square is the enlargement of other square. So all squares are similar. So what can you see here? Regular triangle we are taking, regular quadrilateral we are taking. So all regular polygons with the same number of sides are always similar. And also we can observe all congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not congruent. Now we'll give the definition. Two polygons are similar if their corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now we will demonstrate one example. We'll take two triangles ABC and DEF. Here angle B and angle E are 90 degrees. Angle C and D are 53.1 degrees. Only two angles are given. Can't we find the third angle? Yes, by using angle sum property, we can find the third angle. It will be 36.9 degrees. Here, all corresponding angles are equal. Now we have to see the corresponding sides ratio. If you take AB upon DE, that is wrong. We have to see the 1-1 correspondence. A corresponds to F, B corresponds to E, and C corresponds to D. So AB, if you take, its corresponding side will be EF or FE. That is 4 upon 6. If you express in lowest terms, it is 2 upon 3. If you take BC, its corresponding side is ED. Their ratio will be 3 upon 4.5. That is also 2 upon 3. Now we have to see the ratio of hypotenuse. AC upon hypotenuse DF. That is 5 upon 7.5. That is also 2 upon 3. Here if you see, all corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Here the triangle DEF is an enlargement of other triangle ABC regardless of orientation. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FED. Similarly, two quadrilaters can be similar if all corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same ratios. If all ratios are equal. Here see, quadrilateral EFGH is an enlargement of quadrilateral ABCD regardless of orientation. So therefore ABC, quadrilateral ABCD is similar to quadrilateral EFGH. Now we will check whether one condition of similar polygon is enough for them to be similar or not. We'll take one rectangle PQRS and one square ABCD. In rectangular or square, all adjacent angle will be 90 degrees. So here, all corresponding angles are equal. Sides ratios we'll see. Here QR and BC lengths are equal. So their ratios will be 1:1. But PQ length is more than AB length. So its ratio will not be 1:1. So here corresponding sides are not in same ratio. So even though corresponding angles are equal, we can't declare that they are similar figures. Now we'll check, we'll take EFGH one rhombus and ABCD one square in which all sides are equal. All sides are equal means corresponding sides ratios will be same, that is 1:1. But what can you say about the corresponding angles? In square, all angles will be 90 degrees, but in rhombus, two acute angles and two obtuse angles will be there. So corresponding angles are not equal. So if corresponding sides ratio same, then also we can't confirm that they are similar figures. Either of the two conditions of similar polygon is not sufficient for them to be similar. Now we'll finalize by giving the definition of similar polygon and similar triangle. Here the two conditions can be connected with and. But for similar triangles, corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in same ratio. They can be connected with R. Is there any difference in the definition of similar polygon and similar triangle? Yes. In similar polygon, the two conditions are joined with conjunction and, whereas in similar triangles, the two conditions are joined with disjunction or. So why? Because means we have already seen in previous slide that one condition is not sufficient for polygons to be similar. Okay, but triangles are special type of polygons in which one condition of similar triangle is enough for them to be similar. In similar, this similarity criterions can be